Hi everyone, this is Sonia Schrader and I am going to be here at the Waiawega Thursday night on Main Street until 8 o'clock tonight, and I have my sample packets here ready to give out, and whoever gets these, not only from tonight but from other times that you've gotten these, I just want to go over how to use them real quick. You either have the normal to dry or the combo to oily, and most of you will get this beauty book, and it has, the first page has the time-wise 3D set taped in here, and it has the let's see, this is the normal to dry, so this has the gel mask on it. Okay, if I can get this off of here without wrecking it, so I can show you. So this is the set. So what you would do first is you would use the 4-in-1 cleanser, get your face a little bit wet, and then just dab a little bit on, use an M&M size amount. And then you would wash that off, rub it in, wash off. Then you would use, if it's during the day, you would use the day cream. And that you would only use like a M&M size amount. And then you would use the eye cream, and there is so much eye cream in here, it probably lasts you a week because you only use a little tiny, like the size of a matchstick, just right, use your ring finger and right under your eye. And so those are the uses. Now at night you're gonna do almost the same thing, only you're gonna do the mask. So you would do the cleanser, and then you would do the gel mask and leave it on. For the normal to dry, you would leave that on for 10 minutes and then wash it off. And then do your night cream and then your eye cream. So if you're doing the combo to oily, it's kind of the same thing, only your mask is going to be a clear proof mask. So at night when you do the cleanse, then you do the mask and you put it, keep away from your eyes, so you don't need to dry out the area around your eyes, okay? Or pull oils from that, because it's really sensitive skin around your eyes. So the mask pulls the toxins and the oils out of your pores. So you would do the mask, wait 10 minutes, and then just put the washcloth on your face and let it kind of soak a little bit, and then wipe it off. Then you would do your night cream and then your eye cream. So just a little quick sample review for you. So if you have severe age, signs of aging on your skin, you want to try the repair set. And so that I do have a couple samples, and I'm in my glamour, and I'm just going to show you the consultant that had posted this. This is pretty cool, about using the repair set. So continuous use, you get excellent results. Same with any of the Mary Kay products, just continuous use. If you have any issues or problems, tell your Mary Kay consultant right away. So thank you for watching.